of garlic, 1 chicken bouillon, and a cup of milk. Pour the liquid into the thin steak. Let it drip off, then toss into the breadcrumb mixture. Set the steak on a clean plate and repeat with the rest. Once the steak is fully coated, heat up some oil and place the steak on each side for about 3 minutes. Flip over and do another 3 minutes. Repeat with the rest and garnish with cilantro and avocado slices. Enjoy!
Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, get 'em macaroni, eat 'em with my homie. Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, get 'em macaroni, eat 'em with my homie.
I got the blood test done, and this is the first time I got it done with any of my babies. But this one, the blood test is like a non-invasive blood.
Big sister, another picture.
Dalton Schultz. Oh shit.
Let's make some.
And almost instantaneously.
There's your sandwich, and if you're interested on how I make the salsa, let me know.